Good morning everyone. Just thought I'd do a really quick video. My partner's got a nail in her tyre on her vehicle, so I just thought, yeah, let's do a quick video how to remove the nail and plug the hole with our plug install tool. Oh, it's a bit dark in here. Let's get some light on. Let's have a look at this. And right there you can see a nice, not nice, nail in the tyre there. So it's leaking pretty bad. Let's have a look. You see that's bubbling away quite a bit. I had a look around, couldn't see any others. I marked where it was, a little marker pen, and then just brought it inside. I've got some wheel chocks in front here, and it's not going to roll away. Let's have a look and remove this nail and see what we can do. Alright, first of all, I want to get that nail out. Oh, probably not the best pliers. Oh no, there we go. Oh, it's a tiny little, it's like a upholsterer's nail, that one. Yeah, interesting. Okay. I'll just clean it up a bit. I don't really want any detergent around that whole area. Anything that might stop the plug from sealing. So I got this neat little plug tool. This is from Ironman 4x4, just from the 4-wheel-drive shop. It's called an air plugger. Quite nifty because it comes with storage. You get about, you got 5 plugs in there. Right, you got your insert tool and your reamer to clean out the hole. So we just installs like that. Screws together, install the cleaning tool, and then we'll find the hole. Let's have a look here. Let's let a little bit of air out of this. So we'll just let a little bit of air out. Makes it a bit easier because otherwise you're fighting the air pressure. These are pretty hard tyres, very low profile, so yeah, pretty solid. Okay, that's pretty close to empty now. Now I can feel this all the way through. You give it a bit of a twist, a bit of a clean out. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll switch the tool for the plug insert tool. So we'll take this one off and we put the plug insert tool on, which is this little one here. Now this is a little bit harder. It usually takes a fair bit of force to get these plugs in. Hopefully this tool's nice and rock solid. So you take one of the plugs out of its packaging, it's nice and clean. Right. And then you feed the plug through. Alright. Alright, so you put the plug on the tool so it's fairly even both ways. Okay, now what you want to do is force the plug in. You want to get it about 2/3 the way in. and then just trim the excess plug off with a knife. You don't want that excess bit running on the road or anything. Usually you can just snip them off. My side cutters weren't very sharp in this case. Yeah. I don't want to cut the tyre, just the plug, so be very careful. Okay, so that's the plug done. Now we'll re-inflate and see how it's going. Another good little gadget, let's see how well this works this time, is this tyre inflator I got from Amazon. It was only about $38. It's only a portable, but I only use it sometimes to inflate the airbags in my four-wheel drive for the airbag suspension when I'm towing the caravan. So let's see how it goes filling up tyre from dead flat. Let's go 34 psi. Not the fastest compressor in the world, but I guess if you're in trouble, stuck somewhere, it could just get you out of trouble.
A few moments later.
Oh, look at that, and it cuts out. Yeah, it took a little while, but enough time to have a beer or a coffee. Yeah, it did the job. So let's just have a look, check for leaks. Okay, that's looking good. Right, now I'll just let's take this off, and I've got the wheel chocks in front, so I'll put it in neutral, take it out of park, just turn this wheel, make sure there's not any other more screws in this tyre. It'll be time for new tyres soon. Rightio, all done. Well, there we are. Quick video on how to plug a tyre, remove a nail or a screw that you might have in a tyre. Plug it. It's not too hard if you've got the right tools. It can be done on the side of the road with the vehicle's own jack that the vehicle would normally come with. Just make sure the vehicle's supported and is safe, and do not go under the vehicle, of course. And yeah, always good to carry one of those plug tools on you with some plug inserts. And yeah, this little Amazon compressor did the trick. Probably not a bad one to keep in the boot, nice and compact. Comes with all your other little valves and things for you know, basketballs, soccer balls, whatever. So yeah, no worries. Anyway, there's be more videos to come, random things that I do, so don't forget to click like and subscribe. Cheers, thank you.